Yeah, it's been pretty bad lately around going out. Now that the warmer weather is getting, I knew it was going to be that way out of Michigan, southern Michigan. It was cleared up from the illegals for a while, but once the weather broke, I knew the illegals would be back out. You go out to the local Menards or Home Depot or Lowe's and packed full of Indians, Muslims, packed full of illegals from Venezuela, Somalia, the Congo, Haiti, Jackson, Michigan. There's a lot of African Americans, a lot of blacks. So these radical judges in Jackson, Michigan thought it'd be a good idea to import thousands, tens of thousands of real Africans. Thought they would assimilate well with the African Americans down in the hood.